Let's do a switch set check. First, remove the switch. We need 4 wires. B plus connects to the red wire. B connects to the black wire. Additionally, 2 wires. M2 to the black wire. M1 connects to the red wire. All 4 are ready. Now, M1 and M2 connect to the output, part of the switch set. Make sure positive and negative are correctly connected. Positive and negative poles connect to the input, positive and negative poles. The switch set have markings on it. At this time, we need a fully charged battery. Once connected, the voltage will display. Now, switch to switch function on the other side. Also switch to switch function. Provide power to it. Let's start the simple test. Switch the set to the forward and then press. It displays 18 voltage. We switch reverse and it displays 18 voltage as well. When we switch to reverse, the reverse light lights up. Same as forward light. At this time, the voltage is 18 voltage, reverse is also 18 voltage. We take a new switch set for testing. A new switch set, just like before. 1 and M2 connects to output and B plus connects to input. Now, we switch to reverse. The light lights up, showing 20 voltage. Switch to forward, the light lights up, showing 20 voltage. It means the voltage difference is very small, and indicating the switch set is good. The switch data difference is used for judgment.